I would now request Dr. Khalid Naseem, Administrator, Hamdard Public School and Hamdard Village School, Karachi, to give the vote of thanks.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. At the very outset, I would like to apologize for the disruption which took place at the start of the program. This was due to a technical error. Now, beginning with the program, as you all know, this is the 5th year in succession we are having the virtual conference using the Zoom communications network. Enthusiasm to participate shown by the local and foreign delegates is really commendable. Today's proceedings started with recitation of verses from the holy book Al-Quran, followed by their meaning in English by Master Umar Mithani, a student of grade 7 of Hamdard Public School, Karachi. This was followed by the opening speech of Mrs. Sadia Rashid, the president of Hamdard Foundation Pakistan. I, on behalf of Hamdard Foundation Pakistan and Hamdard Public School, would like to thank her for her thought-provoking speech on this year's topic, Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Futures. Thereafter, we heard the message of Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, the Director General of the World Health. He was followed by Ms. Eileen Hogg, the Deputy Representative of World Health Organization in Pakistan. She read out the messages of Dr. Hanan Balki, the first female regional director of the Eastern Mediterranean region, and Dr. Lu Dapeng, the representative of World Health Organization in Pakistan. To Dr. Hanan and Dr. Lu Dapeng, thank you for your messages, which were listened with great interest by the participants. Then we heard Mrs. Fatma Munir Ahmad, the Managing Director and the Chief Executive Officer of Hamdard Laboratories, Pakistan, who shared her views on the topic. To her, Dr. Tedros and Ms. Ellen, a big thank you. Thereafter, the Pakistani and foreign delegates impressed us with their speeches on this year's topic, barring a few Pakistani youth delegates who were specifically asked to speak in the national language Urdu. The others spoke in English. The Pakistani youth delegates were from Karachi, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, Lahore, Peshawar, and Quetta. The schools represented were Hamdard Public and Village Schools, Karachi, Hamdard Public School, Lahore, Habib Girls School, Karachi, St. Joseph's Convent School, Karachi, St. Michael's High School, Karachi, Parkland School and College System, and City English School, both from Rawalpindi, Islamabad. Government Central Model School, Lahore, Warsak Model School and College, and Frontier Model School, again both from Peshawar. SOS Children's Village School, Quetta. To the participant and management of all these schools, thank you all. The foreign delegates were from the United States of America, Australia, Malaysia, and Iran. Thank you for participating by ignoring the clock time in your respective countries with a view to making this conference successful. World Health Organization's regional heads in Punjab, Dr. Jamshed Ahmed, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Mr. Muhammad Babar Alam, Balochistan, Dr. Isfandiar Sharani, spoke in details on today's topic, for which we are grateful. Then we had the president of the conference, Dr. Mukhtiar Hussain Bayo, who is the head of World Health Organization, addressing the session, followed by the chief guest, Dr. Zaria Setna of Lady Dufferin Hospital. To these honored guests, a big thank you for sharing your views in detail. At the back end, let me mention the contribution of the people. We have to thank the heads of Hamdard's zonal offices at Rawalpindi, Lahore, Peshawar, and Quetta, who were instrumental in arranging the delegates from the aforesaid stations. Thanks also are due to Sayyid Muhammad Arsalan and his technical as well as his non-technical team from Hamdard Foundation Pakistan. The academic heads of Hamdard Public School, namely Mrs. Myra Ambrose, Mrs. Nabila Mahin, Mrs. Faria Raza. All of them, despite their pressing engagements, in conducting the school annual examinations, which took place in May and March, plus the SSC board examinations starting from tomorrow. Worked really well. Our thanks go to the headmaster also of Hamdard Village School, Mr. Salim Jatoi, for fully participating in this conference. Additionally, it would not be out of place to mention two names: Dr. Sana Gauri, Manager Events, Programs, Publications, Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, and Syeda Anis Zahra Raza, Coordinator Events of Hamdard Public School and Village School. These two combined very well to arrange this conference. Before ending, I would, on behalf of Hamdard Foundation Pakistan and Hamdard Public School, like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the President of the conference, Dr. Mukhtiar Hassan Bhayo, the Chief Guest, Dr. Zoya Inam, and the President of Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, Mrs. Sadia Rashid, and other dignitaries for their presence and speeches. Thanks also go to the Chief Executive Officer of Hamdard Laboratories of Hamdard Laboratories Pakistan, Mrs. Fatma Munir Ahmed, and the Vice President of Hamdard Foundation, Dr. Maham Munir Ahmed, for their guidance and support in arranging this online conference. Dr. Sara Salman, currently involved as a medical officer, child and adolescent health department of Healthier Populations with the World Health Organization Regional Office for the Eastern Mediterranean, deserves a big thanks. Thank you for acting as an observer today and for remaining present throughout the program. Mr. Abu Talib Bhutto, the head of HR, is also present, and I would like to thank him too on behalf of Hamdard Foundation Pakistan and Hamdard Public School.
I think we should thank the art department of Hamdard Public School also, because they went for the...
Please thank the art department of Hamdard Public School.
We have already thanked them.
Yes.
Thank them enough.
Yeah, I'm just about to tell them that the students of Hamdard Public and Village School took part in the art competition, the poster competition, despite the annual examinations which took place in the month of March. We are grateful to them. And then Zoya Inam Shaikh, today's compere. Thank you well for conducting this program. Thank you, conduct so well. Finally, I would like to thank all of you present here and at different locations for making the time to be with us today and helping us.